Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and quick way to remove a saved Gmail account from your computer. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Removing an account is easy, whether you have multiple Gmail accounts saved on your device or just one. Start by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you have more than one account added, click on Show More Accounts to view them all. To proceed, expand the Account section and select Sign Out of All Accounts. Once you've signed out, click on Remove an Account, choose the account you want to delete, and confirm the action. The selected Gmail account will be removed instantly. After that, you can sign back into the account you want to keep, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tutorials.